Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator, and I'm going to be talking about a new feature on the latest version of CLO 2025 here, which is the denim material type. And here we have a t-shirt which has been textured, or the fabric is denim. You can see V2 woven denim 1, yes. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So let's begin. So our t-shirt, and here is our fabric. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on our fabric. You can see this is the property editor of our fabric. Then we are going to go to the material. I'm going to go to the type here. You can see this, and I'm going to click on the drop down, and you can see we have this denim here. So I'm going to wait for it to load. You get, and please, while testing this, make sure you have a good GPU, a good amount of GPU, probably for 6 gig. Yes. So so you can see this is the west process, and when I click on drop down, we have about 8. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we have about that amount here. You get. So this is the unwashed. You get. So I'm going to start with rinsed. We don't have about 8. We have about 7 because this is unwashed. So literally, this is not a washed or a washed denim. Yes. So let's click on the rinse wash. So we're going to wait for it to load. And this is the result of the rinse wash. You can see this. This is the result of the rinse wash. I will just select like 2 or 3 more because you can always take your time to go through this process. We also have one again. Sorry, let me click on the let me see the stone wash too. So this is the stone wash. It looks good. I tried it on other fabric, but it is not working. I don't know how many fabric it doesn't work for, or probably only works for denim fabric. That's another thing, because this texturing or this kind of material type, it should be good for other fabric type, but basically this is just denim. So, and I checked again. Let's check the bleach one, then I'll show you some extra information again. So this is the this is the bleach wash, or bleach wash, sorry. So we have the ozone wash and we have the custom one, but then again you have to play around with all this and you need to understand how all this work. You can see, and this is the displacement map of the wash. Well, let me show you where you can get this displacement map in case you can use it on other fabrics. So this is where you go to. So when I click on this drop down, or click on this, I click on this icon, this fabric icon, I click on drop down, and I saw washing I saw washing texture, sorry. Yeah, so you can see this. So I think there's a way you can apply this on other fabric to get effect like that. Well, that's by the way, I've not tried it yet, but I'm just showing you in case you want to find out where you can get the displacement map of this texture. So let me just exit this, and then again, like I said, you can tweak all this from here. You can see this is a lot, so you need to play around with all this. There is the glow, the blend, depending on how you want it to look like. So, and each application is going to take like few seconds, probably up to like 10 seconds. So this is the result of the glow. You get of the glow. So you can see this. So like I said, it's going to take time, so you need to play around with it. If I keep going on and on like this, we will spend like hours on this tutorial. So you also have the seam abrasion, the absorbency. Yes, the absorbency. Yes, if I'm right. Cycle duration. So you just need to pull forward and pull backward to see the difference between or to see the changes on how you can adjust the denim, sorry, or the wash effect on the denim. So this is the cycle duration. This looks faded a bit. Let me drag it backward. Yes. So when I pull the cycle duration backward, you can see this is the result. So you just need to play around with all this figure, then check this out and check other wet process on the denim, or you can create a custom one to get the result you want. So thank you for watching this tutorial from Timmy the Creator. You can check out my mockup designs. Link is in the description box, or you can see the mockup below this video with their price tags there. So thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.